This is Fintech Futures at Sibos, and I'm joined by Dhafer Berrachid, CEO, and Kneen, CCO of Axe Finance. Gentlemen, thank you so much for taking the time out to come and speak with us today. I hope you've been enjoying the conference. Dhafer, I'll come to you first. Please, can you briefly explain a little bit about Axe Finance's businesses and what kind of products and services you've been displaying here at Sibos this year?
Yeah, sure. Axe Finance is a software vendor. We've been specializing in the credit space, delivering high-tech lending solutions to the market and continuously adding value. We're based in, we're serving our clients through 8 locations basically, and serving major tier 1 banks as well as smaller lending institutions.
Excellent, excellent. And Chris, I'll come to you. How can lenders then leverage technology to stay competitive while mitigating that credit risk?
Yeah, it's a real challenge for the industry, and we've been helping banks achieve this, and I think it's sort of known as the sort of digitization that's been happening across financial services. And there's 3 sort of key things really. Is make sure that you've got the technology that's flexible enough to enable you to make smart decisions using every element of data that you want to use at any point in the customer journey, and then giving you the sort of flexibility to apply analytics in the form of AI to make those decisions. And I mentioned agility a lot because we're in a constantly changing world, so just make sure that that technology you're using allows you to respond quickly, not only to sort of regulatory changes, but also some rapid changes in market forces that we've seen over the last year or so. So it is really important. And then one of the primary reasons that Dhafer and I are here is to talk about the metaverse, which is sort of that next generation that's emerging and emerging quickly, and how that will combine with the digitization that we've been going through for the last decade in financial services, but bringing back the personalization that the metaverse will bring through augmented and virtual reality, and how we as a business can support that lending journey in this new channel that is emerging into financial services. So yeah, really excited to be here.
Excellent, excellent. And Dhafer, I'll come to you again. What's next on the roadmap then for Axe Finance's ACP so far?
We are at Axe Finance continuously innovating, massively investing in technology and new features. Now we have big teams working on introducing as much as we can from the AI technologies and algorithms and models, taking advantage of the whole the massive data that our clients have, and building models in order to streamline the credit process and make smarter decisions, improving the portfolio quality. That's one major topic. We're working also on the decentralization of the bits and pieces of your solution, making it completely API based, which is basically offering our clients to pick and choose from where they would like to address this or that specific topic, and not being in a forced to buy a big monolithic solution, while they just need 3 pieces from the lending process. And obviously, as Chris has rightly mentioned, we're working a lot on the blockchain technologies, which takes us to the metaverse and the smart contract driven lending basically.
Excellent, excellent. And just to finish off there, what's the latest news coming out of Axe Finance, and is there anything else in the pipeline?
Oh, there is a lot. Actually, we've just released version 9 of our ACP solution. That's on the product side. We're working on a version 10 that will come in the next year or so. We are expanding in terms of geography. We're expanding to reinforcing our presence in our existing markets, as well as going and exploring untapped market. And Chris has joined the company with that purpose in mind, without obviously without letting aside our existing and fantastic customer base. So making sure that these customers are taking maximum benefit and advantage of our solution and our innovations, because it's a journey. It's not like a snapshot. It's not a one-off client provider relationship, but rather a long-term partnership. And we are making sure that we are investing continuously in order to continue bring value on the table to our existing clients. So yeah, this is more or less it, Paul.
Excellent, excellent. Well, no, sounds like exciting times. Dhafer, Chris, thank you so much for taking the time out again to speak with us today, and it's been a real pleasure.
Thank
you, Paul.
Excellent, thanks both.